Welcome to our channel and subscribers. Thank you for being a part of our YouTube family. And if you're not already, please hit subscribe. And today we're going to be doing some matte press-on nails. And I'm going to be using a little bit of acrylic to adhere them. So if you like this type of content, please go ahead and subscribe to our family, like, and comment below. Thank you. I did find these matte press-ons at the Dollar Tree, and here I'm just measuring to see which ones fit my fingers. You don't get a lot of choices. I only have two extra ones, and they were for really, really small pinkies, so you don't get a whole lot of choices for your other fingers. But I will say I do like the length. I like the color. It seems like it's a little like a purple tint, but then also it's not really dark. So at the tip area in certain lighting, you can see through it. So I think it's pretty cute. So I'm going to start off with filing my nails. Make sure I get the cuticle area really good so that doesn't cause any lifting. And then once I finish filing my nails, then I will get all my products out. I'm starting to get all my products out, and then I use rubbing alcohol to clean my nail beds. So here I'm putting the monomer in, and I am using kind of like a mason jar that has a top on it because I'm working in my house and I don't want the smell to take over my house. So I try to keep it closed, and that little jar I found at the Dollar Tree, it comes in handy for this type of application. I also did forget to use nail primer, and I didn't realize it until after I did all my nails and I finished recording. So if you are trying this, please make sure you apply nail primer before you start. So I just put a light layer of acrylic on, and while I'm doing that, I just try to get it on my entire nail bed. And the acrylic is clear, so I'm sorry that you can't really see it. And then I press the press on onto my nail, and the acrylic does squeeze out a little bit. And I try to hold it there for about 30 seconds, and then I clean up the excess acrylic. Now, I did dab my brush 3 times, even though I'm only using it to apply the nail. I kept forgetting that. I was thinking I was actually doing acrylic nails. So some nails have a little extra acrylic on it than others, but you only need a small layer. Just kind of like as if you were applying glue, is how thin of a layer that you would need to apply the press on. final results, and you cannot tell me that I do not have a full acrylic set on. Like, that is the vibes I'm getting. That's the way I feel right now. And I think they are so cute. And I have to remember to put on that cuticle oil because my cuticles are dry right now during this time of year. And also with using all this hand sanitizer. So if you like these, please let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. And if you try these out, also please let me know. And also follow us on Instagram at Breon716. Thank you and have a good day.